Let's hear it for Christopher Stone!
Impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go. This is my quest, follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for that heavenly cause. And I know that I'll always be true to this glorious quest, and the world will be better for this. That one man, scorned and covered in scars, still strove with his last ounce of courage